Today we're gonna be trying currying corn dogs, potatoes in it, and yeah, it's like. I'm gonna try the potato. It's so wet. It's so wet.
Why did you just put the cheese on there?
God, it's so good. It's like fries on a currying corn dog.
Yeah, it's so good. Yeah, duh, because there's potatoes on it.
It's so wet.
I just want to eat the potatoes on it. You guys, the potatoes are so good.
Talk about it.
Yeah, as it is,
That's me right now.
a 10 out of 10.
You guys, look at the cheese. Guys, see that cheese? Yeah.
It's so good. Can you be on camera?
No.
Who wants mine?
Me, please.
Look at there.
I give me
You eat it very off of already.
So wet.
Give it to your mommy.
That's my older sister. So wet.
It's sweet. I don't know. I wish I had a meal.
Okay, ladies.
The cheese is cold.
Ketchup and mustard is good.
How do you get two?
Okay. It's like
The cheese is cold though.